This is an instructional video on how to take an image of a Windows 98 machine using Ghost onto an external USB hard drive. I've got here state-of-the-art Dell Optiplex GX1 with matching monitor, mouse, and keyboard, and the external Seagate USB drive. And first thing we want to do is power on the external hard drive. Make sure that is powered on to ensure that the computer detects it when it boots up. And I've already placed the Ghost CD-ROM into the CD-ROM drive. And so now we will power on the tower. And we'll come take a look over at the monitor here. And I've already set the computer to boot to the CD-ROM drive in the BIOS settings. Okay, here's a screen for Symantec Ghost, and the mouse doesn't work here, so we'll just use the keyboard. So I'm going to press Enter now to select OK on this screen. Now I'm going to use my right arrow to expand off of the local setting, and I want to get an image of the disk, so disk is highlighted. I'm going to press right again, and I want this to go to an image. I'm going to use the down arrow to select to image, and now I'm going to press Enter. And now listed here are the two hard drives it detects. The one on the top here is a WDC drive with which is 9,779 megs, and the one under that is 381 megs. No, 381,000 megs, 381 gigs. So clearly the one on top is the one that we want to take the image of. I believe in the Seattle computer it'll show up as a Maxter, so I'll click OK. I'm not going to click anything, I'm going to press Enter here. And now it's asking us where we want to save it to, so since I don't have a mouse, I'm going to have to tab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Press the down arrow, and on here the external drive shows up as 3.1 new volume NTFS drive. I'm not sure what it's going to show up on as the Seattle one, I forget. But it's highlighted white, so I'm going to press Enter. It's going to take a moment here to kind of communicate and sync up with the drive. Once it does, it'll show the contents of the drive, which that's a image I took earlier to test this process out. So now I'm going to give this a name. I'm going to call this one Test 2. Now I'm going to press Enter. Now it asks me if I want to compress the image file. I usually hit the right arrow and select Fast on this, and press Enter. Proceed with image file creation. I'm going to use left arrow to select Yes, press Enter again. And now it's going to take a few minutes here to create the image. Once it creates the image, it'll ask you some things. You can exit out. You could just power the tower off, really, because once this finishes completely, I have the file I need. And just verify that there actually is a file on the drive and that it actually has some space to it, because I've seen this process fail and end up with a file that is nothing. And that should cover it.